Have you ever wondered what would happen if you ate 2 bananas every day? Let's dive into the amazing benefits of this simple habit. Could eating 2 bananas a day transform your health? Let's find out. Let's talk about weight management. One medium-sized banana contains only about 105 calories and is packed with fiber. Fiber keeps us feeling fuller for longer, reducing those pesky cravings. So next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying snack, you know what to reach for. Okay, let's talk about blood pressure, a silent concern for many. High blood pressure can lead to a range of health problems. Bananas can be your secret weapon in keeping it in check. The magic ingredient here is potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. 2 bananas a day can provide a significant amount of the potassium you need. We all know that stress is an inevitable part of life. Bananas contain an amino acid called tryptophan, which plays a crucial role in producing serotonin, the happy hormone. Serotonin has a calming and mood-boosting effect, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, try reaching for a banana. Bananas, your weapon against anemia. Anemia, often caused by iron deficiency, can leave you feeling tired and run down. Bananas are a good source of iron, crucial for producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your energy levels and combat iron deficiency, don't underestimate the power of bananas. Get your digestion moving with bananas. Bananas can be your digestive system's new best friend. Bananas are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut, which helps soften your stool and promote regularity. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool and helps things move along smoothly. So if you're looking for a natural way to maintain a happy and healthy digestive system, include bananas in your diet. Filling nutritional gaps with bananas. In today's fast-paced world, it's not always easy to get all the nutrients we need from our diet alone. Bananas are a good source of several essential vitamins, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, and folate. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage and boosts your immune system. Vitamin B6 is essential for brain development and function, and it helps your body convert food into energy. By incorporating bananas into your diet, you can give your body a boost of essential vitamins and support overall health and well-being. Bananas, your natural energy booster. Feeling sluggish and in need of a quick pick-me-up? Skip the sugary energy drinks and reach for a banana instead. Bananas are a great source of natural sugars like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which provide a quick and sustained energy boost. So, the next time you're feeling a mid-afternoon slump or need a pre-workout energy boost, grab a banana for a healthy and delicious way to fuel your body. Bananas in your beauty routine. Bananas can be incorporated into your skincare routine for a natural and affordable way to pamper your skin. The potassium in bananas can help moisturize and hydrate dry skin, while vitamin C can help brighten your complexion and reduce the appearance of dark spots. So why not give your skin a natural treat by incorporating bananas into your beauty routine? So there you have it. Eating 2 bananas a day can bring a multitude of health benefits, from weight management and blood pressure regulation to stress reduction and improved digestion. Bananas are a versatile fruit that can truly make a difference in your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.